experiment ever. Curiously? Mom, why are you laughing? Oh, Senya, I'm watching our photos. They're so cool. Let's look them together. Okay. Look, remember how you pranked Daddy? Yes, of course I do. Hey, let's pull a prank on Daddy.
Yeah!
Dad, can I help you?
Hi, Senya. Pass me the spanner.
I think I'll eat this.
You what? Senya, it isn't possible.
Possible, if it's chocolate.
Really, chocolate?
Are you gonna eat this one?
Awesome.
Yeah, it was cool. And then I pulled a prank on you. Yeah, I remember. Wow! Pull a prank on Mommy. Mommy! Mom, I'm so thirsty. Don't worry, it's a chocolate. Senya, what a horror! Do you have one more? Tasty! You really made me worry, Senya. So, what goes next? Oh, sure, the chocolate wars!
Oh, serious enemy. Comfortable?
Completely agree. Are they still there?
Have I got bullets?
2.
That is not enough.
Only 1.
Senya, what are you doing? Share with me.
My worst enemies. Let's go.
Yeah!
Aha, that's a chocolate explosion.
Take this broccoli.
You're so funny. So, what goes next?
Is it cool? Yeah?
Wow, cool. Look here.
Awesome.
Yeah, that is. I'd like an iPhone too, but where can I make such money? Oh, sure. I've got a money box. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, I need iPhone.
You're so crafty. It will not work.
You don't understand. I want to buy iPhone. Well done. You're cool, Senya.
If that is so, here you are.
Yeah!
This money is chocolate.
I know it. iPhone 2.
That was my plan. Senya, why we have so much chocolate? I have a magic chest with sweets. Magic? Yeah, I'll show you. Look here. Wow, so much chocolate. Even luck is chocolate. What, really? Oh, I shouldn't have? Oh, never mind. Oh, what a boredom.
Senya, why are you bored?
I just want to do something interesting, but nothing comes to my mind.
To have good ideas, you need to drink vitamins.
Exactly! I will conduct experiments. Get dressed! We will conduct experiments.
Okay.
You seem to have assessed my laboratory. Today, we will have interesting experiments. We need gloves, glasses, Mentos, cola. We need a lot of Mentos and cola. At first, we need ingredients. Assistant, go to shop. I think it's enough. Assistant, get the drinks. We will check what reacts better. Be careful, assistant.
I think the cola and Sprite are winners.
To make it interesting, we will leave only this, cola and Sprite.
Now we will add here an oil and see the reaction of cola and Sprite. Check the reaction.
Yeah!
Add some more. Let's add 2. Your cola stopped to Okay, I know what to do. Professor, we're going to make a jet machine. To make it we need a frame, wheels. Machine is ready. Now we need the fastener to fix a bottle. Take the flask and pour the Mentos in there. And now the fun begins.
Wow! Ready to experiment.
Start. Oh, it got to neighbors. We need large-scale experiments, so we take 2 large bottles. Pour the oil in there. Take our secret Mentos devices, spin them, and now, on the count of 3, pull the levers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. This experiment is a success!
Assistant, let's continue experiments. I have another caps.
I'm ready, Professor. Well, let's check whose bottle is better to explode. 1, 2, 3.
It's time for the biggest experiment ever. We need a fish tank and so much Mentos and cola. Assistant, get the ingredients.
It's time for Mentos. So, let's start. Guys, write in the comments which experiment did you like the most.
And put the likes.
Senya, what happened?
We are under attack.
Who?
Aliens! They have taken all my bikes away.
Let's settle this. Now, we'll teach them.
Well done. Shoot again.
Run. Cover your ears.
Thank you, Bumblebee.
Always ready to help.
Yeah!
Who is it?
I'm here.
I just played with a magic wand.
Help me, please. I need to get back.
Yes, I got an idea. What's in the car?
Yeah!
Oh no! Let's try another way. Uh-oh! Sorry, sit down. Uh-oh. Oh, I've got a perfect idea.
Yeah! Yeah!
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating candies, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ho, ho, ho.
Come here.
Hi, I need your help.
Is your car broken?
Yes.
No worry, no worry.
Wow, thanks. Wow.
What happened?
I want to get another car.
Don't worry, we'll fix it, fix it.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah!
I want to have another car.
No problem. Get out. We'll do it now.
Wow! Oh, you're just a wizard.
Yeah!
Huh? What happened again?
I want to have another car.
What? Another car again? Okay, 2 minutes. Here's a cool new car for you.
You think it's a cool car?
Sure, the cool car.
Uh-oh!
What is it? Give me the instruments. I'll do it myself.
Go ahead. Huh?
Yeah!
Wow!
Yeah! Uh-oh!
You are really cool.
Мечтами, тами, тами, и там мы в Москве или в Майами. Следую за мечтами, мечтами, тами, тами, и тут мы в Москве или в Майами. Следую за мечтами.
Senya! Stop, 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 stop! Senya, I want a cool car too. Can you help me?
Of course. Your car is ready.
What is this car?
Uh-oh!
Na, 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 na.
I want to have a cool car.
Okay, I'll do it. It's done!
Huh?
come soon.
Yeah!
It's cool weather.
Yeah!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh!
Na 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 na.
Uh-oh!
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Are you ready?
Let's go!
Okay.
I need your help.
Okay. Come on! Come on!
Yeah!
Thank you!
Give me your traffic fine.
Yeah!